Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the Montessori material known as Knobbless cylinder. This material is fundamental component of sensorial area and aids in development of child's visual discrimination, fine motor skill and cognitive understanding. The Knobbless cylinder consists of 10 wooden cylinders, each varying in two dimensions, that is height and diameter. There are 4 colors in Knobbless cylinder, that is yellow, green, red and blue. Today we will be introducing the red and green color Knobbless cylinder, in which we will teach our children about thick and thin and broad and narrow concept, in which the child will examine the cylinder closely and notice the difference between height and diameter between the cylinders. After exploring, they will arrange it from ascending to descending or descending to ascending order. The purpose of this exercise is to help the child to develop their ability to discriminate between different dimensions while enhancing their fine motor skills and hand and eye coordination. Now, here is a time to explore the combination of green and red Knobbless cylinder. Now the child will arrange red Knobbless cylinder from thick to thin and green Knobbless cylinder from broad to narrow. Now the child will form a beautiful combination of red and green Knobbless cylinder. Like this, you can challenge your children to create different pattern or sequences by combining two colored cylinders. Purpose of comparing the two sets of cylinders is to help the children to develop their ability to discriminate between the dimension and colors, order and sequence, grading and gradation. Thank you.